So here's bionicreading.com, and this is now an open API, and Feeds app is using that. So in case you want to try Bionic Reading, just try it out in Feeds app. So just to enable that, go to settings and then search for Bionic Reading. And you can enable it here for free. No need to upgrade. So if I try to open some table of contents, then this is the app where I can enable Bionic Reading. I don't know if it works really ideally here, but this is how the text looks like. So the idea is that you can use this feature to read faster and more focused, because your brain can already get the whole meaning and the word just from highlighted elements. And if you're reading a lot of articles, big amounts of text, it's enough for your brain just to highlight these main areas, and then it will figure it faster. So it's kind of like fast reading technique. Kind of works for some people, for other people doesn't work. So yep, that's basically that. So this is the app where you can enable this Bionic Reading. Other two apps, Reader 5 and Lyre, at the moment they are paid apps, so that's that.